Achoo!
Goo Goo Colors! Goo Goo Colors!
Achoo! Oh no, Gaga baby! I sneezed and lost my color. What should I do? I will get help from the Goo Goo Colors.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color green.
Okay, coming right up.
Green. Oh no, Gaga baby, you colored me the wrong color. Oops, sorry, dude.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color blue.
Okay, coming right up.
Blue. Blue. Black. Purple. Yellow. Come on, Gaga baby. You know this is not the right color. Come on, dude, fix me. I'll be right back.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color purple.
Okay, coming right up.
Purple. Dude, this is not the right color. Oh no, I will try again.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color yellow.
Okay, coming right up.
Yellow. Gaga baby, for the last time, dude, this is not the right color. Fix me, please. Sorry, dude.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color red.
Okay, coming right up.
Red. Thank you, Gaga baby. Let's play outside.
Red, black, green, blue, pink. Hello, cars. Let's go play hide and seek.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
I love playing hide and seek.
I will count and you guys will hide.
Goo Goo Gaga, how do you count to 10?
That's easy. Boom! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how you count to 10.
Thank you, Goo Goo Gaga. Now I know how to count to 10.
Count my fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I will count and you guys will hide. 1, 2, 3,
Goo Goo Gaga won't find me.
4, 5, 6,
You won't find me, Goo Goo Gaga.
7, 8, 9,
Goo Goo Gaga won't find me here.
10. Ready or not, here I come. Oh God, where are you? Oh, I hear something. I think I see a car, guys. 3, 2, 1. I found your car! I found you!
Wow, Goo Goo Gaga, you're a great seeker.
Wait for me in the kitchen so I can find the other cars.
Okay, I'll wait in the kitchen.
Boom! Oh yeah, baby. Hey kids, I got the cars over here, guys. I found your car, I found you!
Goo Goo Gaga, you found me, dude.
I'll see you later, dude.
Okay, no problem.
Boom! Here I come.
Uh-oh, I think I hear Goo Goo Gaga.
Ooh, I hear a car. Hey kids, I think a car in here. 3, 2, 1. I found your car! I found you!
Good job, dude. You found me.
Wait for me while I find the other cars.
Okay, Goo Goo Gaga. No problem, dude.
Boom! Oh yeah, baby, here I come. Here I come, dude! Let's take it here, kids. Hi! There's no car here. Oh, I know where it is. I found the truck.
Great job, Goo Goo Gaga.
Go downstairs, please.
Okay.
I found your car. I found you.
Wow, Goo Goo Gaga, you're a great seeker.
Go downstairs, please.
Okay.
Hey kids, what color you learn today? Red, black, green, blue, pink. Good job! Subscribe to my channel because I love you. Ah, ah.
Hey, Gaga baby, what are you doing? Hello, Car. I am coloring. Ooh, I like the colors. What colors do you have? Blue, black, purple, green, yellow. Ooh, Gaga baby, may you color me some friends? Okay. Hello, Gaga baby. I am the color blue. May I have more color friends, Gaga baby? Coming right up. Hello, Gaga baby. I am the color black. May I have a purple friend, Gaga baby? That would be great, dude. Purple color, where are you?
Woo, woo.
Well, hello, Gaga baby. I'm the color purple. How about green friend, Gaga baby? Green friend coming right up. Hello, Gaga baby. I'm the color green. May I have one more color friend, Gaga baby? No problem, dude. Yellow color, Hello, Gaga baby. I'm the color yellow, dude. What color are your friends? Blue, black, purple, green, yellow.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goo Goo Colors. Subscribe to my channel. Goo Goo Colors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goo Goo Colors.